Okay, we're trying to do this again. Take a picture of Paw'S truck driving without fingers being in the way. So I don't have a dash cam. I have the phone stuck to the window, the back window. This truck is a 1995 Chevrolet 2500. It's got 67,000 original miles. And so we're taking a little ride to the office. And hopefully you can see how well it drives. This is Paw'S leopard, I don't know, Paw'S steering wheel cover. He's had this thing, I don't know how many years. Air conditioner still works good. All right, we're going again. Show you the rear shot. It's got a nice toolbox back there, you can see it. And this is the front, 67,000 miles. And I think that's all for today.